Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Cipher token. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Cipher CPR standout is the cryptocurrency landscape as a utility token that embodies partial ownership of the company Cipher. Unlike many other digital assets, Cipher did not launch through ICO and IEO. Instead, tokens are distributed through active participation in the project, fostering a unique community-driven approach. The project, initiated on April 19, 2018, originally utilized the Ethereum blockchain but later transitioned to the Polygon POS network to the enhance scalability and efficiency. The team behind Cipher spans across India, the United Kingdom, and New Zealand, focusing on creating a transparent, accountable, and secure business environment. This global team is dedicated to developing businesses applications that are not only user friendly but also highly scalable and secure. Cipher mobile app aims to deliver personalized content, real time application access, and interactive user experiences. Cipher project institution rating is 4.1 and this project audited by Seriting and Hacken. Cipher token total supplies 10.8 billion and circulating supplies around 6.4 billion CPR token. CPR token is listed on Uniswap, V3, QuickSwap and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.